Hey there, Monopoly Go enthusiasts. Frustrated because your game won't open? Don't worry. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to fix Monopoly Go won't open so you can get back rolling the dice and collecting properties in no time. Step 1. Restart your device. First things first, let's try the classic solution, restarting your device. Often, simply turning your phone or tablet off and back on again can resolve minor glitches that prevent apps from opening. This quick reset helps your device clear any temporary hiccups that might be causing Monopoly Go to stall. Once you've restarted, try launching the game again. Step 2. Update the app. If the restart didn't do the trick, then the next step is checking for app updates. App developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and check if there's an update available for Monopoly Go. If there is, install it and then attempt to open the app again. Updates often contain important fixes that could be just what you need. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Still having trouble? It might be time to clear out any corrupt data. For Android users, navigate to your device setting, tap on Apps, find Monopoly Go, and then select Storage. Here you'll find the options to clear the cache and data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that could sometimes cause issues, while clearing data will reset the app to the way it was when you first downloaded it. Remember, clearing data will remove game data unless it's synced with your account, so use this option cautiously. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Monopoly Go requires a stable internet connection to function correctly. Ensure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi for a reliable cellular network. Try opening a web page or another app requiring internet to confirm there are no connectivity issues. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider switching network or resetting your mode. Step 5. Reinstall Monopoly Go. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Monopoly Go. This process can resolve serious bugs and glitches by giving you a clean slate. To do this, press and hold the Monopoly Go icon until the uninstall option appears, then confirm your choice. Once the app is removed, go back to your App Store to re-download and install. Log into your account and you should be back to playing in no time. Fixing the issue of Monopoly Go not opening is usually straightforward, whether it's restarting your device, updating the app, clearing cache and data, checking your internet connection, or reinstalling the app. By following these steps, you'll likely solve the problem and get back on track to building your virtual real estate empire. Remember, always back up game progress whenever possible and ensure you are logged into the right account to avoid losing your data. Happy gaming, and may you always pass Go, collect $100.